Hi guys, we want to solve for x in square root of x raised to the power 4 equals square root of 4 raised to the power 4. That's a solution. What do we have? We have x raised to the power 4 equals x raised 4 raised to the power square root of 4 raised to the power 4, right? So one of the first step we are going to do is to find a way we can actually cancel the square root, and to do that, to cancel square root, we square both sides. So to cancel square root, we square. So now let's square both sides. Squaring both sides, you have square root of x raised to the power 4 raised to the power 2 equals square root of 4 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 2. Right? This you cancel out this. We have x raised to the power 4 equals this, you cancel this, so we have 4 raised to the power 4. So now we can transfer this to the other side. So we have x raised to the power 4 minus 4 raised to the power 4 equals 0. So from here now, so we have x raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2. You can express it like this because from the law of analysis, product power law, when number which is equal to a certain power is again raised to another power, the powers are multiplied. So we have again 4 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 equals 0. So if you recall from here that m square minus n square, this is equals m minus n multiplied by m plus n. So we observe that this has become a difference of 2 square. So if you apply this to this, we will have x square minus 4 square multiplied by x square plus 4 square equals 0. So now we will have x square minus 4 square equals 0. That's the first expression we will have. And another we will have is x square plus 4 square equals 0. So from here, we are going to have this another difference of 2 square. We are going to have x minus 4, then x plus 4 equals 0. Let's first deal with this. So here we will have, let's say this is the first case. What this means is this equals 0 and this equals 0. So we have x minus 4 equals 0, or x plus 4 equals 0. Alright, so here we have the solution to be x equals, transfer this here, we have x equals 4 or x equals minus 4. So from here now we can see this x1 equals 4 and x2 equals minus 4. Alright, so and the second case we have is x squared plus 4 squared equals 0. Second case is x squared plus 4 squared equals 0. Alright, so what we are going to do is transfer this to the other side. So we have x squared equals minus 4 squared. So from here, if we are going to cancel this square, we are going to use square root. Remember I said to cancel square root with square, but to cancel square with square root. So now let's square root because we want to cancel this square. so equals square root of minus 4 square. So we see that this, we cancel out this, so we have x to be equals plus or minus square root of 4 square. We will have something here like we have 4, right? So 4 square, right, multiply by minus 1. All right, so here now we have x equals plus or minus. Here we have square root of 4 square times square root of minus I. So but let's recall from that our I equals square root of minus 1. This implies that our x equals plus or minus this square, we cancel the square root, so we have 4 times I. So here now we have our x3 to be equals 4i, and our x4 to be equals minus 4i. Collecting all solutions together, we have x1 equals 4 and x2 equals minus 4, right? So our x3 equals 4i and our x4 equals minus 4i. So you can have a quick verification. So it's very obvious. So if our given equation is a square root of x raised to the power 4 equals square root of 4 raised to the power 4. All right, so let's say our x equals 4. We will have 4 raised to the power 4. So this will definitely equals 4 raised to the power 4. So the same thing with if you use 4 raised to the power minus 4. Minus 4 raised to the power minus 4. Is this equals to square root of 4 raised to the power 4? What we are going to use here is minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4. So, and you observe that this is equals minus times minus, plus times minus, minus times minus, that is plus. So we have 4 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 4. So which is also equals to 4 raised to the power 4. So that's it. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video.